What's up guys? We all know how grooming can seem like such an effort, right? You need different tools for facial hair, body hair, you name it. It's a whole process. But what if I told you that there's one tool that can make grooming super easy and convenient with the promise of effortless grooming in a single stroke? Introducing the Philips Multi-Groom Series 3000 MG3710/65, a grooming powerhouse. This is truly an all-in-one solution for head-to-toe grooming. ये है बिल्कुल barber के बराबर. You get a sleek, easy-to-hold trimmer along with bunch of attachments like hair combs, beard combs, and even a body comb. And all that just under ₹2000. Now let me show you how they work. First up, let's talk about beard grooming. With this trimmer, you get these reinforced cutting guards for styling your facial hair. Whether you rock a full beard or you need clean lines, these guards will get you the perfect trim. Along with these 7 cutting guards, you also get 2 stubble combs for 1mm and 2mm trimming, an adjustable beard comb, 3 hair combs at 9mm, 12mm and 16mm, and 1 body comb. Check it out. I can precisely trim and edge my beard to get that on-point sharp look. Now that's some effortless grooming in a single stroke. And these self-sharpening steel blades are built to last and will stay as sharp as day one. Imagine the perfect non-corrosive blades that requires no oil. Can you believe it? Thanks to the skin-friendly blades that are super smooth. There are no cuts or skin irritations, making it perfect for all skin types. But we are not stopping at the face. Like I said, this is a true head-to-toe trimmer. Let's see how it's perfect for grooming your hair and body hair. With the 3 different combs, achieving any style is now effortlessly possible from the comfort of your home. Now be it the arms, legs, chest, underarms, or even the sensitive areas, this has you covered. Those hard to reach spots? No problem. It even has an attachment for nose and ear hair. See that smooth groomed look? I achieved all of this in just a few minutes with this one tool. Cleaning is super easy too. The blades and guards are water resistant, so just give them a quick rinse under the tap. You get up to 60 minutes of cordless use per charge, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery in the middle of a grooming session. Once you are done, pack it in the pouch and take it wherever you want. And it even comes with a 2 years worldwide warranty. Self-sharpening blades, versatile attachments, portable convenience, and a perfectly skin-friendly trimmer, the Philips MG3710/65 trimmer is truly the ultimate all-in-one grooming kit. If you look forward to effortless grooming in a single stroke, get this now.